Can somebody please explain to me why we are days away from June and I am wearing a scarf? I just need a quick explanation. Last week was 90 degrees for the whole weekend. My family was here, my nieces and my nephews, and we did a whole bunch of things. We went to, I always do this. Let me just show you. Here's where I do the flashback. Hey girl, hey. So if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you should totally be following me. You know that my family is here. I have my 2 nieces and my nephew, and they're staying with us. So we have been, or will be, all over New York. And of course, you guys, I'm taking you along. So let's go. So we came to Madison Square Park. Where the heck are we again? Well, I always get that confused. Washington Square Park. Just to bring my nieces and nephew over here, see if anything was happening. It's not. So we're gonna see what we can do and then probably just move on to the next. So we came to Central Park because I have 2 nieces and a nephew. My oldest niece grew up going back and forth between New York, but the 2 youngest kind of just, they're Southern kids. So we're just going around and showing them everything, but it is hot. It's humid and the babies are tired. Well, they're not babies, they're teenagers, but so yeah, we're trying to figure out what it is that we're gonna do next. Look at all this hair that she has. And she be complaining about it. Isn't her hair gorgeous? Look at this. So anyway, that was fun. We had a great time. It was hot AF. Like I was sweating last week. We get up this morning, and Alexa tells us that it's raining. And it feels like 40 degrees. But yeah, we are out and about as much as we can. We're about to go to brunch. I don't know how much we're going to be doing because again, it's cold and it's rainy and we are days away from June. Like I'm just really confused about that. Anyway, we're going to brunch. I'm bringing you along. Let's see what we get into. I really can't believe I'm wearing a scarf right now, a few days from June. Anyway, yeah, so brunch was delicious. We decided to try to go to a different place because this person's getting really close to our car. You see this? I see them. I'm trying to get out of this bus stop because they're definitely here. Somebody is backing up and got mad close to our car. Anyway, we went to a different brunch spot because we go to the same places every week, and this was delicious. We have been living in New York City for years. I'm from here, but together as a married couple, we've been living here for years, but we have never eaten at, was it babe, SaraBeth? Yeah. At SaraBeth. So we went today and it was delicious, and we will be back. Now we are on our way to Bloomingdale's just to look around, just to be out the house for a little bit. We don't know if we're going home after that because the rain is killing me. So anyway guys, yeah, let's just go into Bloomingdale's and see what there is to see. Guys, this is an Oscar De La Renta. I gagged I wish I had someplace to wear this. This is beautiful. The ruffle at the top, the off the shoulder, the color, the way it gathers at the bottom. It just, Oscar, man. I'll show you this Oscar De La Renta gown. And it's not even gonna translate, but look at the sleeves. Oh my God, and look at how, this is not translating, this is gorgeous. Look at the train in the back. Oh, Oscar, Oscar! You guys, that Oscar De La Renta gown, the magenta one and the pink one, but mostly that purplish, pinkish, magenta looking thing. Oh my God, I love this stuff. It was just, it took my breath away. It is gorgeous. Like when I say that I love fashion, it's not just like I love to buy things and, you know, I do, but there's just something that it makes me feel, and I don't know, it was just gorgeous. Anyway, we're probably gonna go home because it's raining and we don't really feel like being all in the, what is this, like wet and humid. It's just gross. We're gonna go home. I did not buy anything, but I did order my purse that I said I was gonna order for my birthday, my luxury purse. So I can't buy anything because I spent all my money on those contemporary purses and my luxury purse. My birthday is not until the end of June, so you probably won't see it till then. But yeah. Anyway, that's it. We're on our way home. Jeez, that looks crazy. So you guys, here I am minding my business. Nyma Tang did that collabo with Dose of Color, so I made a quick reel about it because the color is amazing, and I just wanted to let everybody else know. So I put up the reel, and I looked up, and Nyma Tang has mentioned me in her story. She reposted it. I mean, what? Complete and total fangirl moment. I'm about to repost the repost that she posts of me. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'll keep telling you guys it is a great time to do so. Let me go ahead and repost my repost. All right, guys. Hey girl, hey. So today is a much better day. It's still in the 50s. I still have a jacket on, but at least it's not rainy and just uncomfortable. So yeah, I'm also wearing this brown hair. My husband said it looks okay, but I am not completely used to it. Anyway, just let me know what you think. We're about to go eat as per usual. And like I said, it's a nice day. Let's see what we get into. Hey girl, hey. So as I'm editing this video, I am noticing more and more gray hair. I also noticed or realized that I haven't dyed my hair in months, and my birthday, like I said, is at the end of the month, so I'm trying to wait until then because I want it to be nice and fresh. But editing this video, you guys, I don't know if I could wait that long. I'm gonna need some dye in this hair ASAP, like ASAP. I also had a really bad reaction to some vitamin C, and I'm not quite sure why, like vitamin C serum. I'm not sure why, because I've been using vitamin C for years, and all of a sudden I'm having this really weird reaction, and I'm wondering if I should try go back to what I used to use. Every time my skin is doing well, I decide to get a stronger I decide to get a stronger version of what I'm using. So like I was using some retinol and my face was doing wonderfully, my skin I mean, and I decided to just get a stronger version of the retinol and my face completely freaked out. So I'm wondering if that's the same thing that's happening with my vitamin C, but you probably might not be able to tell because I have my glasses on. But yeah, I don't know, can you grow a intolerance to vitamin C after a while? I don't know, but anyway, that's the issue right now. So if you are new here, this is usually the part of the video when I show you what I bought and try to be a bad friend and influence you to do the same. So earlier in the video, I talked about Nyma Tang and Dose of Color, their collaboration, and how I did a reel about it. And I just wanted to show you guys up close about how much I love it. And if you guys don't have it, then maybe you should get it too. Let me just show you. First of all, how pretty is this picture? That's just the glossy eyeshadow. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I just want to show you guys, first of all, pay no attention to my nails. It's been a long panty. I'm glad it's almost over. I'm about to get everything done. Hair removal, get my hair done, get my nails done. I'm over it. So I feel like we're wrapping this panty up. Anyway, pay no attention to my nails. I'm probably just gonna go paint them after this, but I just wanted to show you this really quickly. So anyway, yeah, it comes with a lipstick, a lip gloss, a matte lip, and a lip pencil. And what I'm telling you, this is such a good shade. I particularly love the lip gloss because I'm liking the shiny look right now. So when I put the lipstick on over the lip gloss, it is a match. I mean, it's a beautiful match. So from the left over, the first one is the lipstick. The one in the middle, I don't know if you can even tell. After the second one from the left, sorry, is the lipstick with the lip gloss on it. And then you have the lip gloss. You can tell the lip gloss, it's pretty pigmented, right? And then the last one all the way to the right is the lip pencil, and the one at the bottom is the liquid lipstick. So you can see it's all like orangey, beautifully. It's just fabulous. Like I said, my favorite is the lipstick with the lip gloss over it, which is the third from the left. I'm sorry, it's the second from the left. I don't know, it's just beautiful. If you haven't seen these in action, you should go ahead and take a look at them. Like I said, I did a reel on my Instagram that I might be playing to the side of the video right now. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me, check it out, and you will see it on my lips. It's absolutely stunning. If you've seen my other videos, first of all, you know that I am a purse fanatic, and you also know that I love a good clutch. I got this Mansour Gabrielle clutch, you guys, believe it or not, from eBay. They were having a sale, like a 20% off sale. If you're not following me on Like to Know It, you're missing out, because I told you about this sale. I might even told you on my community page. 20% off of this purse, which is about $600. So you could have really gotten a good deal on it. But anyway, I found this on eBay because I was looking for this color, and by the time I decided I wanted this beautiful red color, it had sold out. And you guys, you won't believe how much I paid for this. I paid, now remember I told you this purse is like $600. I got this for $200 on eBay. Like, what? I had to do it, right? And I know everybody doesn't love a clutch, but I love a clutch. I always have, even going back to like my college days, I always wore a clutch. So yes, this was a steal. Again, follow me on Like to Know It, and you would have known that Mansour Gabrielle was having a sale, a Memorial Day sale, and it was just amazing. 20% off of this purse is so good, and it's so worth it. The leather is amazing. I've spoke about this before. You know, if you're not new here, you know I have this in gold, and I have this in black, and I have it in red. They also have it in this gorgeous melony orangey color that would go so well with the lipstick I just showed you. I'm trying to not even look at that right now because, okay, few things. One, because you guys know that, or some of you guys may not know, that they are discontinuing the Coach Cassie. And I was gonna wait to buy the Cassie until the fall, the black Cassie. But because they're discontinuing it, I just wanted to make sure I had it. So I bought that already. Plus I bought my luxury purse for my birthday. So I don't wanna spend all of the money, unless I find a good deal. I told you guys that I was thinking about getting several different purses for my birthday. Which one do you think it was? I'm gonna put some pictures up around me and you tell me what you think is the one that I got. If you follow me on Instagram and you look at my stories, you might have seen that I was trying to choose between 4, and I actually added some more to the list. So what was on my stories were the 4 that I was trying to choose from, and then I added some more. Anyway, let me know what purse you think I got. My birthday is not until the end of June, so I won't even open it until then. That actually happened last year. Last year I got my Louis Vuitton earrings for my birthday, and I had to get them early because they kept selling out, and I just bought them and they stood there in the box and I couldn't even open them. So I guess I'm doing the same thing this year because I got a really good price on my bag. So anyway, yeah, tell me which one you think is the one that I got. And one more thing before I wrap this up, I told you I'm a bad influence. Jomashop is a place that I get a lot of my luxury sunglasses from, and actually a lot of luxury. They have bags and all kinds of stuff. But I'm just now recently looking at their fragrances. I don't know why, because I'm a fragrance fanatic. But if you are a person who likes Tom Ford Soleil Blanc and Tom Ford Bitter Peach, they had it on sale on Jomashop, and if it's still there, I will link it. They had the Soleil Blanc for $100. And they had Bitter Peach for, I think it was a little over 2, which is, even if it's 2 or 250, it's still like much better than what Bitter Peach is full price. Full price is like $350. Not my $350, but $350, because I do love the scent. I do love the fragrance. I know not everybody does. I like it, but I don't like it for $350. Like, that's what I spent on my Baccarat Rouge, you know what I mean? But if you are interested, I will link it below. I'll also link my Cassie, and if Mansur Gabrielle is still having the sale, I will link that as well. And of course, the Dose of Colors, if it's still there. So anyway, guys, that's it. Well, I say that's it. I bought a lot of things. Oh, one more thing. Also, I'm going on vacation in a few weeks for my birthday, and I am looking for, everything is vacation content in my head. So how would you feel about travel outfits, things to wear to the airport, maybe a vacation haul? A vacation like clothing and accessory haul? Let me know what you think if you're interested in that, because I know the world is opening back up, and if people are, even if you're just like traveling in the United States, I would love to know. I want to make sure I have the content that you guys want to see. Anyway, that's it. I've spoken long enough. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every like, every comment. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. Share the video, and I will see you in my next video.